morning, children. I hope you all have done the assessments very well. Let us now quickly move on to discuss on what we have learnt in our previous session. In the previous session, we have learned how different animals use different ways of taking food. Now, I had already discussed regarding how bees intake their food. Bees intake their food by sucking nectar from the flowers. So, and birds, how do they ingest their food? They ingest their food, but some of the birds, they use their beaks. That is, most of the birds use their beaks to ingest their food. Now, what is this ingestion? Ingestion is nothing but it is the process of taking food into the body. So, the first process of digestion is ingestion. So, what is this ingestion? Ingestion is the process of taking food into the body, and that's what we have learnt in our previous session. We have learnt how different animals use different ways to ingest their food. Similarly, we human beings also ingest our food into our mouth. So, the digestion process itself starts from our mouth. Now, let us understand in detail how the digestion process takes place in the human beings. Before understanding or discussing the various parts of the human body which take part in the digestion process, just let us understand after all what is digestion. Now consider this is a large molecule. So what happens in the process of digestion? The larger molecules of food are broken down into simple molecules. So a large molecule is broken down into various simple molecules with release of energy. So in digestion process, what happens? A larger molecule is broken down into simple molecules which can be absorbed into the blood with release of energy. So during the process of digestion, energy is released. So what is digestion? Breakdown of complex components of food into simple substance is called as digestion. Now we shall go through the parts of the human digestive system. So the parts of the human digestive system are mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So these are the parts of the human digestive system which take part in the digestion process. Digestive system begins with mouth. Mouth is also called as oral cavity or buccal cavity. Through mouth, the food enters our body. And what does the mouth or oral cavity or buccal cavity consist of? The mouth consists of teeth, tongue and salivary glands. So, the mouth consists of teeth, tongue and the salivary glands. As I have told you, mouth is also called as oral cavity or buccal cavity. What does it consist of? It consists of teeth, tongue and salivary glands. Let us go through them one by one in detail. Teeth. The humans usually consist of two set of teeth. They are primary teeth and permanent teeth. Primary teeth are also called as milk teeth and we have almost 20 milk teeth. Whereas the second set, that is permanent teeth, usually adults have permanent set of teeth and they are 32 in number. Now we shall understand the different types of teeth. We have 4 different types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Now let us see how many of incisors, canine, molar and premolar we have. So we have 4 types of teeth. They are canine, molars, premolars and incisors. Let us now find out how many number of canines, molars, premolars and incisors we have. We have 8 incisors. So we have 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. So in total, an adult human has 32 teeth. Function of teeth. Teeth is usually designed for cutting and grinding food into smaller pieces. So our teeth assist us in whatever food we are having. It helps us in cutting and grinding the food into smaller pieces. Next part is the tongue. The tongue consists of skeletal muscles which are covered by a mucous membrane which helps to keep the tongue moist. Now on the tongue, what do we have? We have the taste buds which help to detect taste of the food. So whatever food we are eating, how do you find out the taste of the food? Whether it is salty, whether it is bitter, it is being done by the taste buds which are found on the tongue. So different region of the tongue is responsible to help us to detect the different taste of the food. Now let us quickly understand the structure of the tongue. Let us discuss the structure of the tongue. The tongue is divided into three parts, that is the front portion tip, the rear portion root, and the middle portion is the body of the tongue. And what does the tongue is made up of? Muscles. As I told you before, they are made up of skeletal muscles and they are covered by a mucous membrane which helps to keep the tongue moist.